Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. Today I am so excited to try out this eyeshadow palette. This is from the brand SOLA LOOK and it's the Beverly Hills 90210 Brenda Dylan Kelly palette. I just think this is so fun and so cute and I love this brand. So this was sent to me for free in PR. You might have seen this in my recent PR unboxing video. And I just always like to give the disclaimer when a product is sent to me for free. But this is not a sponsored video, and of course you know that my reviews are always very honest. But so this is cruelty-free and vegan. It retails for $29. SOLA LOOK has a whole Beverly Hills 90210 little makeup collection. I've tried out one of the liquid lipsticks, which I love. And I just feel like it's a collectible collection as well, which is so fun. But then it looks like such a beautiful palette. I love that it has the mirror here. And what I think is so awesome is it has the matte shades and then the metallic and then the glitter that all are coordinating. And I kind of want to do a look that's just using all of the colors in a row, but I might have to do that some other time because when I review a palette for the first time, I do like to try and use as many shades as possible. But first things first, I want to go ahead and do some swatches. So, the texture of these is amazing. That is so pretty. It's like a glittery, almost like holographic topper. Oh, that metallic. Oh my gosh, I love this shade of purple. These are some extremely pigmented mattes. Oh, that shimmer is amazing. Okay, wow, I am so impressed by these swatches. So here are what those swatches look like. I am so impressed, and I also love this color assortment. It's so cohesive. Right as I picked this up, I was about to say that it gives me sunset vibes, which is something I love in eyeshadow colors and eyeshadow looks. And then I saw the back is of a sunset. So it's just so perfect and coordinating, and I love these shades. Oh, I am so excited to do an eyeshadow look. And so as per usual, I'm going to test these out with and without an eyeshadow primer. So just going in with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, I'm going to apply this just all over one of my eyelids. And I'm just blending this all over my lid and then up onto that brow bone. All right, and so then I like to start from the brow bone and then work my way down. So I'm gonna take this gold glitter here, and it's actually quite pigmented, so I'm gonna go in with just a little bit and use this as a brow highlight. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so glittery. Go in with a little bit more. It's like small glitter pieces. That looks so fun. This makes me want to do a really sparkly eyeshadow look. And it might turn out that way with such beautiful sparkle shades. But first, I'm gonna do a matte shade as my transition. So I'm gonna pick up the shade The Bad Boy. Ooh, I love that there's not a lot of kickback. There's literally no kickback. That's awesome. All right, and then I'm gonna blend this. Oh my gosh, look at how pigmented. Wow. And I'm gonna blend this from the crease up to the brow bone. Oh yeah. With shades this pigmented, this is going to be a colorful, beautiful eyeshadow look. So I'm just going in with such a tiny bit because I want more of a diffused transition shade. And I am impressed by how this blends out, but it's so pigmented that you just need the tiniest little bit if you want just a smoked out version of the color. Like seriously, like I am tapping my brush into the pan pretty hard and there is no kickback. I feel like that is so rare to find in an eyeshadow palette. Usually it gets so messy and dusty. All right, I love this shade. I am very impressed. Okay, next, going right into the crease, I'm gonna pick up the other matte red shade that's called That Summer. And I'm gonna put this right here into the crease. Oh my gosh, like look at that pigment. And it looks so bright. Like it's a little bit surprising how bright it is. It's like a hot pink, which of course I love. I'm loving the look of the transition from the bright orange to the hot pink crease. These two colors look so good together. Oh my gosh. Seeing such a beautiful shade of hot pink on my eyes just makes me so happy. I love these colors. All right, now let's move down to the metallic shades. I'm gonna take the purple metallic. This is called Junior Prom. And I'm gonna tap this in that outer corner. Oh my gosh. This is turning into like my favorite color story, like eyeshadow look. Like I didn't realize how perfectly this purpley maroon metallic shade was going to go with the hot pink, but it's the perfect complementary shade. And this one is of course so pigmented. It looks foiled. Wow. I would love the look with this shade all over the eyelid, but I am going to try and incorporate more colors. But there are so many looks that I want to create with these colors. Literally, I could choose any shade in here to fill in the inner section of my eyelid, but I think I'm going to go in with this pink glitter. Okay. When I started this video, I didn't think that I was going to be doing a bright pink sparkly eyeshadow look, and I didn't even really try to. You're probably like, yeah, right, Christy, we know you love pink and sparkles. Of course you're gonna do a pink sparkly eyeshadow look, but that really wasn't what I set out to do, but maybe subconsciously I did. But oh my gosh, like every single shade looks perfect with the other shades. Every single shade performs so beautifully. I love all the different tones and textures going on. Oh my goodness, I love this palette. Oh my gosh. Like this shade is so sparkly, but yet pigmented. And just the perfect shade of pink glitter. Oh, I love it. I can't stop looking at my beautiful pink sparkly eye makeup in the mirror. Oh my gosh, I'm just loving this. Okay, but now let's finish it off with, I'm gonna go with this one. I just have to wear this pink metallic called Sleeping on the Beach on the lower lash line. Oh my gosh. This color is amazing, and it is the perfect shade to pull the whole eye look together. Like I literally did not need to like blow on my palette once to clear off any fallout. That is so impressive. So not only are these colors amazing, the formula is so good. Like, I am just continuing to be so impressed by the brand SOLA LOOK. They just make the most incredible formulated products. And you know that I'm picky because I've tried out so many makeup products in this series. And I just get so happy when I find a brand that is so good and just doing such a good job with their formulas. Oh, I'm amazed. So now let me show you my finished eyeshadow look. This is so fun. Oh my gosh. It's clear. This palette makes me happy. This eyeshadow look makes me so happy. And I feel like that's what makeup is all about. It should be for your own enjoyment, for how you want your makeup and yourself to look. And this is what I want. Bright pink, sparkly eyeshadow is what makes my eyes happy to look at. Oh, okay. I think I need to stop looking at myself and just finish the video because I'm just getting repetitive. I think you understand how much I love this. But now let's do the check for any creasing. None. This is the eye with the primer. This is the eye without the primer. And there's absolutely no difference. And I feel like that's always a really good test to see how great an eyeshadow formula really is. And it's true that this is such an amazing formulated palette. Every single shade I used was so beautiful. So let me know in the comments down below if you have tried out this palette or any other SOLA LOOK products that you would recommend. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.